Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you use Leonardo AI? So it is a new feature to create AI images, especially image to motion. Brings your image to motion. So first and foremost, let's start off fresh here off the bat. Let's just go ahead and search the name here. Now, there's going to be a bunch of options here at the bottom here, but this is going to be the one that is very significant right here. I'm going to click Leonardo AI. Now, you could click Get Started. You could log in or sign up with Google, Facebook, any social media platform except for Instagram, I think. We have an art generator. This is the concept of the art here, the platform, basically. AI marketing tools, especially for graphic design, AI print. That's it. Resources, news. So, typical AI platform, accessibilities, and also typical AI feature, basically. So, let's input our account here. I'm going to use my email instead of the Facebook. So let's just wait. I love their logo. Just look at their logo. It looks like a wizard. So it's going to be asking you a bunch of questions here, like what are your preferences in edit. So basically, once you're in this app right here, it asks you preferences because it'll automatically edit and design the photos that you want to be edited at, basing off this preferences that you just chose just now. So that's why they've asked these questions. So pick your username. Don't get too fancy with it, you might need it on your logins and you might forget. I've learned it from experience, so hopefully it wouldn't happen again. And make sure to write all of your information down on a piece of paper so you won't forget it. You might have said it, you won't forget it, but later on, a couple of minutes, a couple of hours, you will, especially when more important things on the day, occupy parts of your brain, or not the entirety of your mind. So you'll forget things, okay? So again, building up on preferences here, fashion, we have film, interior design. Just make sure you have a easy to remember username you might need in the logins. So we are enthusiast. Which role best describes you? Enthusiast. We're just using this as a tutorial video, basically. So here it is. You could basically upload anything here and they'll animate it. Okay, they'll animate it yourself. How to use motion, it's all in here. So basically you upload a photo here and then that's it. You could click on generate, and then they'll put it to motion. That's how quick and simple and easy it is to use these. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any free stock images out of copyright purposes that we could use here, but let's just try to make up with photos that they've already have on this particular platform that they have, so that it would save us time, instead of looking for stock images online. So that's just the concept of it. You just upload it here. Let's take a look at some of their projects here. So as you all know, these projects here are already uploaded by people with accounts, like we just created the account now. So people also have a lot of accounts. A lot of people have an account here and they upload their projects, basically. So anyone could be an artist now because of AI. So we have Prism Tree by Matthew. So a lot of projects here we can base off of, and that's just basically it. You could also copy paste these prompts that I just posted, prompt details, and use it as a prompt of your own. However, I do not recommend that. Be creative here. Your only task of this application, of this platform, is to be absolutely creative. So that's just it, guys. Thank you so much for watching tech trick tutorials, and hope you enjoy this video. You guys have a nice day.